So let's take a look at number 1. All we have to do is describe the transformation. So what does this plus 1 on the outside tell us that our graph is going to do?
Up 1.
Up 1. What about for number 2? Plus 3 on the inside. Nick? Left 3. All right, number 3. What about a negative on the inside? A reflection. So when you multiply by a negative, it's a reflection. And then is it the x or the y? The y-axis. Because y is inside the parentheses, x would be outside. All right, number 4. You guys okay? So it's either going to be a compression or a stretch when you multiply a number. Compression would be if you're multiplying by a number that's smaller than 1. So in between 1 and 0. So this would be a stretch. So if it's a number bigger than 1, it's a stretch. All right, number 5. What does this minus 1 on the inside do? Right 1. And then plus 5 on the outside. Awesome. Up 5. All right, number 6. A negative on the outside.
Reflection on x-axis.
A reflection on the x-axis. Lucas, what does the plus 4 do? Up 4. All right, number 7. Bradley, what does the minus 8 on the outside do? Down how many?
3.
What number is it? So it goes down 8. All right. What about this negative on the inside? Janessa, what does it do? So when you're multiplying a negative on the inside, it's a reflection. Is it a reflection on the x-axis or the y-axis, Tyler?
Y.
The y-axis. Y is on the inside. All right, Bradley, what does this plus 2 do on the outside? Up 2. All right. What about when we multiply by 0.5? Nick?
Vertical compression.
So that would be a compression. Because it's less than 1, it's in between 1 and 0, it's a compression. All right, number 10. What about when you multiply a negative on the outside? A reflection on what? The x-axis. X is when it's on the outside. And then down 7. All right, number 11. What about when we multiply by a 4 on the outside? Bradley, multiply by 4 on the outside. What does it do?
Wait, you got the 4.
Number 11. What's the other one?
What are you talking about? The number 2?
This part, the 4. Multiplying by a 4 on the outside.
I don't know.
Stretch. Bradley, what does the minus 2 do? Down 2. All right, and last one, number 12. Danielle, what does the minus 5 do on the inside? Maya, want to help him out? Minus 5 on the inside.
Up 9.
The minus 5. We're going right 5. And then up 9.